I am Jarn Asuncion from Section India, and I'm going to show you how to attain the primary classification of fingerprint. The first step is we're going to do the blocking out or identify the fingerprint pattern of the 10 fingers. For example, this is our classified fingerprints of the right hand and the left hand. So we're going to pair each fingers and give their numerical values. So the first pair would be the numbers 1 and 2, and it has a numerical value of 16. The second pair would be the numbers 3 and 4, and it has a numerical value of 8. The third pair would be the numbers 5 and 6, and it has a numerical value of 4. The fourth pair is the numbers 7 and 8, and it has a numerical value of 2. Then the last pair would be the numbers 9 and 10, and it has a numerical value of 1. Take note that the given numerical values is constant. The numbers 16, 8, 4, 2, and 1. So we're going to find the denominator and the numerator. Let's start with the denominator, and I'm going to use the W pattern from 1 to 7, from 7 to 3, from 3 to 9, and from 9 to 5. So let's start with number 1. Number 1 has a tented arc pattern, so it has no numerical value. Next is the number 7. So number 7 has a plain whirl pattern, and it has a numerical value of 2. Next is the number 3, and it has a plain arc pattern, so it has no numerical value. And number 9 has a tented arc pattern, so it has no numerical value. Last is the number 5, and it has a central pocket whirl pattern, so it has a numerical value of 4. Let's move to the numerator, and I use the M pattern, starting from 6 to 2, from 2 to 8, from 8 to 4, and from 4 to 10. Let's start with number 6. Number 6 has a double loop whirl, so it has a numerical value of 4. Number 2 is a ulnar loop pattern, so it has no numerical value. So number 8 is a radial loop pattern, so it has no numerical value. Number 4 is a radial loop pattern, so it has no numerical value. Last is the number 10, and it has a accidental whirl pattern, so it has a numerical value of 1. Let's start adding our numerical values. So 2 plus 4 is equals to 6, and 4 plus 1 is equals to 5. So always remember to add 1 over 1 because it is a constant to be added to the sum of our numerical values. 6 plus 1 is equals to 7, and 5 plus 1 is equals to 6. So this would be our primary classification.